Okay, so basics in Blender, things along the lines of keyboard shortcuts and the like are very daunting and come off as being very confusing in programs like Blender because there are a lot. So here are some single key things that you can do. So G allows me to grab an object, and that way I can move it around. If I do G and I follow it up with an X, Y, or Z, it'll move on that specific axis. R allows me to rotate an object, or R and X, Y, or Z. Oops, let's redo that. R followed by an X, Y, or Z allows me to move on, again, a specific axis, X, Y, or Z. Scaling. If I push S, I can scale the object. If I push S followed by an X, Y, or Z, I can scale on a specific axis. If I, let's see, yes, I've got a cube, a camera, and a light. If I push all items are selected in the scene. If I push T, my toolbar will be hidden or shown. If I push I, it'll bring up my keyframes menu for animation. If I have this selected and I push the H button, it'll hide the item. It's no longer visible in the outliner. I can, of course, turn it on or off here, or I can do Alt H and it'll show again in there. If I push S, oh, I'm sorry, I already did that. If I push Z, I can alter the shading. All right. Additionally, if I push X, that gives me the option to delete the object. If I push C, I can do circle select and sort of move around and select all the items in the scene or specific ones that I want. If I push enter, that goes away. If I do a B, I'm then able to box select. So similar function. And if I push N, that will bring up the properties menu or hide the properties menu. And last single item that I'll mention is M. Oop, let's grab something and then push M, and then I do have the ability to create new collections over on the side. All right, hope that's helpful for some of you. Thank you very much.